Hello everyone! Today we're going to review hygiene vocabulary. Good personal hygiene can prevent food poisoning. Bacteria that causes food poisoning can be on everyone, even on healthy people. You can spread bacteria from yourself to the food if you touch your nose, your mouth, your hair, or your clothes, and then you touch your food. Good personal hygiene also makes good business sense. Customers like to see food handling staff who take hygiene seriously and practice safe food handling. Accident. Anti-sleep sole, burn, cough, disposable, food poisoning, melt, sneeze, plaster. Thank you guys, that's it for today. See you on the next video.